Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete any virus or suspicious stuff on your iPhone using simple steps anyone can follow. Let's clean your phone. First, if you get pop-up saying your iPhone has virus, don't worry. Your iPhone don't get virus from website. To stop this pop-up, go to settings, find Safari, clear history and website data. Tap clear all or clear history. Now close Safari and reopen it. Pop-up are gone. Next, check for app you don't remember downloading. My app often hides a small tools like calculator or cleaner. If something looks weird, hold the app, delete app. If you never install it, remove it. If something tries to hack your phone, they might install a configuration profile. For that, go to settings, tap on general, tap scroll down and tap VPN and device management. If you see any profile you don't trust or didn't install, tap it, remove from profile. This instantly remove hidden controls or tracking. Spy or malware type app drain battery. To check, go to settings, tap on battery. Look at the list of app using power. If something is using a lot of battery but you don't recognize it, delete the app. A simple restart clears all the glitch. Hold the side button, slide to off, turn it back on, then update your phone. Update, remove bugs that hacks try to use. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.